Today, a Baltimore judge heard arguments from BGE and attorneys representing former employees after allegations surfaced accusing a BGE inspector of being on a boat instead of working.
Yeah, attorneys representing the former employees argue BGE is trying to punish them for exposing the company's practices. Fox 45's Jessica Babb was in court today, joins us now live with the very latest. Jessica.
Today, a judge heard arguments related to a motion of contempt filed by BGE. Essentially, BGE is arguing that attorneys representing the former employees have not followed a court order. But on the other side, those attorneys say they're being silenced. Inside the Baltimore City Circuit Court, arguments were flying as attorneys for BGE and attorneys representing former BGE employees made their case.
They're putting in what we call frivolous motions of contempt.
Atem Lee is one of 14 former BGE employees being represented in a discrimination case against the company. They got involved in a case before the Public Service Commission where BGE is asking for more money from ratepayers. Through that, allegations came to light that a BGE employee responsible for inspecting work routinely spent time on his boat when he claimed to be working.
With him being out on his boat for over a year, there's no way he could possibly verify that the conditions of the work was done properly.
In April, we talked with attorney David Bana, who's representing the former employees.
They feel that that ratepayers shouldn't be on the hook for work that wasn't properly inspected.
Weeks ago, a public service engineering report was issued investigating BGE's costs and whether the safety of the natural gas infrastructure was compromised. The report documenting concerns with BGE's oversight and records. A report BGE has disputed.
The message that my clients want to portray is there is a direct connection between this type of fraudulent conduct and the rates that people are paying.
And as the Public Service Commission has decided to open a new case into these allegations to get to the bottom of what happened, BGE filed a motion of contempt in court against the former employees and their attorneys. Fast forward to Tuesday, attorneys from BGE arguing based on social media posts and media reports, the other attorneys aren't following a court order, which could influence ongoing litigation.
BGE has resorted to attacking my attorney at this point, and instead of choosing to deal with the facts of the case and argue the merit of the case.
In court documents, the attorneys for the former employees argue it's an attempt to punish them for exercising their rights to publicly expose BGE's discriminatory, dishonest, and unsafe business practices, and to put a stop to their opposition to BGE's request to recover more money from ratepayers. But in a statement, BGE says they're not attempting to silence the former employees. But with ongoing litigation and a case with the PSC, they aren't commenting on the allegations. So far, a judge has yet to rule on the contempt motion.
What I would like to see come out of that is for BGE to take responsibility and accountability for things that have happened on their watch.
And with the judge still making her decision, the attorneys representing the former employees didn't want to comment after court today. But again, when it comes to BGE, while they disagree with the initial findings in the Public Service Commission's earlier report, they said they are cooperating with their investigation now. In Baltimore, Jessica Babb, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.